Mwah. Oh, oh no! You caught me hanging out with my homeboy. Oh no!
Or is the camera this way or this way?
This way, where I'm facing.
Okay.
I just realized how
Howdy, cowboy.
I just realized how stretched your arm looks from the front. It looks like it's super thin, but it's really stretched.
Oh, it does. That's weird. What the?
Anyways, that was the worst 30
Okay, let's
second
go.
start to a video I've ever seen. Before we started this,
I'm just gonna.
I leveled up my, what's his face, Jonathan, so that way he has Peck, because I did not want to do that on camera, because it legit took 5 minutes of my time. I know that's not long, but on video, that's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Who's Peck? Pfft. This stupid pro pay is gonna take 8 years.
Yeah, be careful fighting pro pays.
I'm just gonna switch to...
I know you want to level up,
But
you always just switch to your card
Yup.
at that point, yeah.
switching to Garfield, because Garfield will mow through it.
Yeah, I'm trying to level up Will-O-Wisp, the fighter.
Ah. Mine's name is Cassie, and he's a dude.
Cassie the guy. Cassie the
I
guy.
really hate pro pay.
That's how I feel.
I can't wait for my Catthorn to evolve into a pro pay, so I have an excuse to hit it. Stupid. Jonathan leveled up 2 levels because I beat that pro pay with my starter. Oh, it's a grubby. Alrighty, let's go, Jonathan. What level does Jonathan evolve? Hold on, I'm gonna search this up on Google.
Oh, you don't need to. I already have the fandom up. What is it?
He's the bird. I forget his actual name, but mine is Jonathan.
He evolved at level 16.
Okay, so 10 more levels.
Yep.
I'm going to pee.
No. Yeah, Pro Pay evolves at level. No, your Catherine though evolves at level 8, and then 16.
Okay. Oh, that sounds horrid. Imagine having to switch, just switch for 8 levels.
Oh, the Pro Plays out in the wild, they only have Brace, but you can keep other moves from your Catherine.
Thank goodness.
Yeah, I know. Thank God. Dude, this Grubby's one level. I just had a stroke. Lower than me.
Sick.
Anyone have a Cyclop type is paying for games? I'm not. I don't have a Cyclop type. What's a Cyclop type?
I've heard.
Is that him trying to say psychic type?
If you're not playing the P word, we're not playing the P word.
Yeah, the big company called Nin.
In Japan, them.
Yes, the Nintendos. I think you're allowed to say Pokemon.
We'll find out if the video gets taken down.
Wild Catthorn speed fell down. Not Catthorn, ugly stupid bitch. Dude, Will-O-Wisp, come on, Will-O-Wisp. Will-O-Wisp, the guy. Kill it! Stop! You're gonna die to a bug.
Okay.
And you are a bug.
So now that we started from the front, we can go level up and fight and prepare for the Duskin that we're gonna have to kill. Once Jonathan gets to, I think, maybe level 8. No, maybe level 9. Then I'm gonna switch to my Piter.
No, the Duskin's level 8, yeah. Because I was fighting in an accident, so I mean...
You heard in the last video that I screamed at him. I said, "Thanks, Aiden," and then the video ended. But guess what? When we're making this, Aiden doesn't get to call you a nerd because he hasn't watched it yet. Nerd. I'm gonna bully you. I'm bullying you. Grubby, more like ugly XD. I'm so cool, dude. When does Jonathan evolve at? Level 16? That's kind of ugly.
Yes. And then what's your spider's name?
Bethany. No, Cassie. Bethany is my whatever. Jonathan learned how to squawk in pain when he needs help.
What?
He learned the ability to squawk. And that is
Squawk, squawk, squawk. Oh yeah, I cannot wait to play People Playground after this.
By the way, there will be a video on People Playground that I made by myself. Maybe after this. I don't plan on posting it for a little bit, but it was made. So expect People Playground. If you haven't, I'm gonna warn you, I didn't do a good job of putting a warning in the beginning. There is a lot of gore. So be careful. If you don't like gore, I don't recommend watching it when it comes out. Also, don't get your hopes up. Aiden does not have a YouTube channel because he's a nerd. And if he said he did, then I would beat him.
Dude, if I had a channel, all I would do is...
Also, next video will be awesome. On the next one that I record tomorrow for me, I am going to, somewhere in there, link my Nintendo Switch ID so we can play Pokemon. The real one, though, not this Roblox version. Not Walmart version anymore, it's just, Roblox version. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, for that little cut. I ran out of space, so I had to uninstall some things. And now we're back.
Yay!
Alrighty, Jonathan is now level 9. Now I have to level up my Piter. Cassie.
I have to rejoin you.
Haha.
I left because I got stuck.
Haha. I don't like the noise that you just made. Don't ever do that again. No, stop. I don't like the weird squishy noise you made. I really didn't. Yeah, don't do that ever again. I really don't, man. It's stupid.
I'm gonna slap you, Clayton.
I'm gonna slap you back. Now I'm gonna make you have a stroke. Is that okay with you? Possibly.
So Clayton, who are you looking at?
Okay, so I'm going. Ooh, I get to learn the move Peck on Garfield. Yeah. Yeah, I finally get to get rid of Stare. Yeah, I don't like Stare. Oh, would you like to look at your opponent? Question mark. Alrighty, Cassie learned Bug Bite. Now I'm going to walk. Okay, brothers. Sorry for that. It took. Alrighty, let's go then. I know that wasn't long for you, but that was like an hour for me. Because I had to eat some food.
I hope Clayton legit dies.
Hey, don't say that, man.
I have to.
Okay.
You wanna know what?
What did I tell you about that squishy noise? Stop. Guardian, twiddle.
Cornucopia.
Alright, once my Cassie is it'll probably be like maybe level 6 by the time I get over there. To the Dusket.
Oh, you want to be like only level 6? Dude, the Dusket is level 8.
No, I know, except my starter's also level 12. I think level 13 now.
Okay, I knocked out 13 loomians in battle.
You did
I
it.
get a boost token.
Shut
That's
up.
actually really good. I think I might use that.
I'm probably gonna use it around the time we get to the next area, and I'll use it for Gleam Chance.
Well, I'm gonna use it for experience gain for now.
Actually, that's also good. Yeah, no. Experience, though, I don't want to do that because I want there to be like 25 parts for this. Yeah, Cassie's level 5.
I use it on Gleaming Counter, so I mean, I'm gonna use it. Dude, if I can get a Gleaming first try. Nope, that's a grubby.
You know, I'm not gonna use whatever it is yet, but I'm going to.
I'm just gonna run away now. I don't really need to.
I found a I'm going to try and get Mr. Cassie over here to the level of the good. Once that happens, it'll be epic.
Yes.
Don't say that, fatty. Use Peck. It's super effective.
Effective times super question mark.
Aiden, don't. Dude.
Hey, dude, if I get a Gleaming, I'm gonna catch it and I'm going to rub it in your face.
And then you are never leaving the basement. That joke is no longer overused.
I declare it no longer used. I'm gonna kill grubbies though because
That's just more editing I have to do, so please stop.
what? Me say
I have to edit that out too.
why?
Because it's a bad word, fatty.
What's? No wonder why your parents don't love you. Just shut up.
You make me sad.
That's why I live in the basement. Ba-da-ba.
That's
I
funny.
have 13 minutes to use my epic Gleaming chance.
Oh.
That's a Piter. I already have one of you. And his name is Willow.
Alright, so I have my Cassie at level 6, Garfield's level 13, Jonathan's level 9. I will level up Great and Bethany after the Dusket. Because I'm not going to go through that.
Yeah, I know. Upgrading the bug Pokemon in a bug place is really annoying.
Uh-huh.
You at least have one bug type move on your team.
Yeah, Piter has it.
Who has it?
Piter, Cassie.
Are you gonna use her?
Yeah, probably.
Boy. Okay, good, because you want to keep, because Dusket is no. Bug is good against Dusket.
Oh, okay. So, I should level up Cassie more then.
Yeah.
Please poison it. Gosh dang it. Oh, gotta switch out Cassie. 1 HP over here. I don't have any meds either, so I'll have to go back.
Yeah, I should have used training points. I should have used my little thing on training points. On experience, I mean. So I could, get, because I really want to upgrade my Piter Willow-Wisp. Because she gets a really good bug move at like level 19, I think.
I am. Yuck, there's an Akatsuki guy in here. You watch Naruto? Who watches that? I don't have a Akatsuki robe and a headband. I've never seen that shit.
Naruto?
Yeah, who watches Naruto? Cargo.
Here, you watch Naruto?
Who lives in a cargo under the sea.
Naruto. Emmanuel.
Manuel.
He sent me a friend request for something.
You know, I got a friend request from him as well, except I don't like him.
Say that. It's 2021.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that totally curse word, dude. Please don't hit me. I didn't mean it. Stop. I think that beat is copyrighted. You just go silent. I'm sorry, man. I almost stepped on a stupid bug. Oh no, it would suck if I pecked at it. Stab it through the chest. That's the noise it made when its guts were all over the floor. Teehee.
Yeah, so, what is it called?
I have a dark humor joke I want to tell. So, for everyone watching, skip ahead 10 seconds if you don't want to hear it. No, actually, skip ahead like 20 seconds if you don't want to hear it. My dark humor is like clean water. Not everybody gets it.
Really sad.
Yeah. That's why I said audience who doesn't want to hear it can skip ahead 10 seconds. Are you deaf?
That's not cool.
You know, making fun of deaf people isn't cool anymore in 2021. 2020 the first.
2020 the first.
Sophia the 2020. Sophia the 2020.
Have you heard about Snoop Cat and Kanye East?
Yeah, no, I've heard about them. Aiden, are you ready to go into that dusket?
What?
Are you ready to go and murder a dusket?
Good question. I need to upgrade my Piter.
I'm gonna send my Piter out, and when he's about to die, I'm just gonna switch him so that way he gains XP.
Oh, dude, are you serious? My Piter's dead.
Oh. Are you choking? Do I have to wait here?
Yeah.
Fatty.
Unless I get a shiny Piter, because then I'll just catch that one, and then I'll throw Will-O-Wisp in the garbage. Unless, actually, I'll trade it to one of the viewers.
Yeah. If one of
So,
the...
friend me and I'll trade you a Pokemon.
Yeah.
Loomian, sorry.
Yeah, you better correct that, because I don't care. Nintendo will probably hit us, even though I bought their game and their DLC.
I know, dude. Can we just talk about how good Sword and Shield DLC was?
No, we have to do that in a second video, because not everybody bought it. So it could spoil it.
Well, go buy it right now, or I'm going to insult you in too many levels.
What level is too many?
500. It's over 9,000.
That meme is copyrighted.
Is it?
No. I've got to mute it. If I did actually decide to mute that, which I probably didn't. you don't know what I muted out. Haha, noob. You've been hashtag. Do you like this noise? Do you like that noise? Okay, today we're gonna be doing some ASMR. Shut up, moron! Today we're gonna be doing ASMR noise. Today's concept is beating you until you're unconscious, part 45. Let's get into it. Ah! You just cut out, man. You're just ah. Are you back up here yet, idiot?
No.
You're dog doo-doo.
Okay, so I need to catch another bug Pokemon. Loomian.
Don't. Come on, man. I wanna fight the Dusky at the end of this video, and it's already 21 minutes long. Okay, I'll fight the Dusky. Okay.
I'll fade it off. Okay, Catherine. I want knowledge.
Hey there, champ. What's up? Oh my! It seems you've located one of the lost tablet pieces. Shut up, father. Now, what on earth is that dark goop? Goop.
That's what it is. It's stuff from diarrhea.
Yeah, that's what my diarrhea.
Black.
That's what my diarrhea looks like.
From whatever it's called, but it got like spread out and all the diarrhea.
Yes.
And it made the diarrhea black and really, really sticky, so it made a spider web.
Ah, it's a Dusket!
You'd imagine if you caught a real one.
I would hit you in the head. It looks more powerful than normal. Okay, Cassie. Use Bug Bite. Stupefy. Oh gosh. Now I'm paralyzed. Haha, Bug Bite actually did nothing. Garfield. No, wait, no. I'll switch to Jonathan for, then, so that way he can gain some experience. And then Garfield can finish him off. Startle? Hey, that startled me. Whoa, this music is intense. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, Garfield, you shine. Little Einstein. Climb aboard. Get ready to explore.
I think that song's copyrighted.
But I didn't use the beat. I just sang the lyrics.
I know, but a lot of people suck, so...
You shouldn't say that. Otherwise, they'll just copyright for us being mean to them. We were joking. I'd like to clarify.
Slap them upside the head.
Yeah, don't. I beat the Dusket.
Good for you. I could not beat poo. I'm going to catch a Cornucopia.
Jonathan's level 10. Cassie's level 7. Cassie learned to burrow. Cassie's level 8.
Oh, dude, that means Cassie's level 12, right? Or no, that's not Cassie.
Yeah. Dusket can now be found roaming around in the wild.
Okay, Cornucopia, I'm gonna name you Corn. You're
That's
a girl.
a bad
I'm gonna name you because isn't that the stuff that goes in the Cornucopia? Or were they based off of Cornucopia? Yeah, they're based off of the Cornucopia. Corn is legit in its name.
So you're just ripping off all of the other people. It's not corn, it's Cornucopia.
No, but that's no. But the thing is called cornucopia.
Shut
the thing
up.
that's based off of. I think.
Alright, I beat the Dusket, and now his mustache shakes when he talks. And he sounds like, I'm gonna poke your mom's eye. Just kidding. Don't beat me, please.
Oh, he beat the Dusket. I haven't, and I don't think I will because all of my moves for my strongest Pokemon, loomian Arlo, is to it.
So I want all of you guys, just to now know that, he will probably end up beating it off camera, so that way I don't have to wait there while,
Yeah.
my brain had a fart. Yeah, what he said. Whatever he said. I think he just said yeah, but yeah.
Dude, this is stupid. You know my Jerry?
Uh-huh.
Well, she has the ability. Territorial. Threatened by Loomians of the same gender, you attack harder. However, I tend to strike the opposite gender weaker. Dude, I legit slap men like child. But then I like basketball court, like triple slam and dunk their face if they're a girl. That's exactly what happens. I just like.
You just become the Rocker John Cena, who is invisible. You can't see. That explains why you're able to hit him so hard, because you're John Cena, and then they can't see you. It's Cathorn. It's a level 3 Cathorn versus a level 5 Cathorn. I have the level 3, but Great is a god. Great will always win. If Great doesn't win, I'm going to pee my pants. Also,
Remember that he said that, guys, so if he says that he loses to it, you have to call him out and he needs a video of me.
No, don't,
or
actually,
just
please.
out in the public.
Please don't.
Of him peeing himself.
Oh crap, and they can kind of understand what I look like, because in my old videos I had face cam. So, they actually just know what I look like. I don't do face cam anymore because my PC projects to a TV, and that does not have a webcam. So I am physically unable to have face cam. Haha, noobs. But if Aiden, with his cool monitor, if he had a channel of the YouTube, then he could do face cam.
But I'm not going to.
Haha. You guys are never gonna see what his face looks like. Ha ha ha.
Oh yeah, it'll just be end of the.
No, not yet, but it will be in a second once I beat this other Cathorn.
Oh well, because Clayton doesn't actually do like outros. Like and subscribe, or this spider will be in your bed tonight.
Like and subscribe right now, or this spider will appear in your bed tonight. I am telling you this now as a threat.
What is the bad luck? And you will get Burger King foot lettuce in every burger.
Oh my gosh.
And Clayton will, and you will have sleep paralysis.